Hi friends, I am Rishikesh. Today I am talk about SIOMS and ICH working group. First one is SIOMS. SIOMS is Council of International Organization Medical Science. SIOMS is established by WHO and UNESCO. SIOMS is founded in 1949. They are mainly 10 working group. First one is international reporting of ADR and the name of the form is suspected adverse reaction report form, that is SIOMS form 1. This form used in Europe. This working group work on reporting ADR and data of ADR. Then second, international reporting of periodic drug safety update summaries. In this working group on collecting data of ADR and reporting to authority. Then third, guidelines for guidelines for preparing core clinical safety information drugs, including new proposal for the investigator brochure. This working group works on volunteer safety in clinical trials, testing preclinical and clinical data, also observe on protocol follow and approval. Then fourth one is a check benefit risk balance for marketing drug, that is evaluating safety signals. This working group helps to reduce ADR and frequency of ADR. Then fifth working group is current challenges in PV pragmatic approach. This working group works on what like that planning, budget, setup, infrastructure and manpower. Then six, management of safety information from clinical trials. In this working group works on uh, before clinical trials, consent form and safety of volunteers. Also observe INDA and NDA protocol followed between trial. Then 7, development of safety update report. In this working group, report ADR occurs in clinical trials. At time of clinical trials, FDA also check the report. Then 8.1 is a application of signal detection in PV. In this working group also helps to detection of frequency of ADR and also focus on new type of ADR. Then 9, uh, 9 practical consultation for development application of toolkit. In this working group helps to store the ADR report data. Tools are Argus, VGBase and FERS. uh, Also maintain the ADR data, safety data. Then 10th, uh, then the 10th working group for applying good media analysis practices to clinical safety data within the within the biopharmaceuticals regulatory process. In this working group, after completing clinical trials, they recheck the clinical trial data for the accurate result of accurate output. Then ICH working group. ICH is International Conference Harmonization, is founded in April 1990. Uh, Under ICH works a steering committee. Steering committee is a governing body observe the harmonization activity. Founding parties are EU, Japan, and US. Observes also WHO and Health Canada and Europe. Under the steering committee, mainly uh, ICH working group. ICH working group divided by four groups. First one is a discussion group. Discussion group works on the making a point and rough draft. Informal working group. This study on the point and sort out the point. They works on a unofficially draft. Then third one is a working group. They make a data proper policy and send to the steering committee. Steering committee once approve the policy, they send to the implementation working group. The implementation working group works on the distribute of the policy and observe they then follow or not in proper manner. Implementation working group send the policy to coordinator. Coordinator works on the distribute the policy, take review on the policy, coordinate directly connected to the ICH. The secretariat works on a day to day update report and documentation. Also, they arrange the meetings of steering committee and other working group. Metra management group, which is a mainly a universal course of disease symptoms and lab reports. Global cooperation group. In global cooperation group, this compressed on the 6 region and 8 drug authorities. Global cooperation group works on the challenges on the implementation ICH guideline. Also share their experience. Thank you.